Welcome to the UVET project, a European initiative dedicated to developing vocational skills for UAV maintenance and repair. The project focuses on giving learners the knowledge and hands-on skills they need to keep UAVs safe, reliable, and compliant with regulations. Training modules cover everything from record keeping and inspections to calibrations, system checks, and advanced repair techniques. To support your learning, UVET provides a complete set of resources, including training videos, guidebooks, technical checklists, and occupational standards. The ultimate goal is to prepare a new generation of skilled UAV technicians ready to meet the demands of a fast-growing industry. This lesson is part of that journey. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to the introduction of Lesson 3, UAV Calibrations. Without proper calibration, even the most advanced drone can misinterpret its environment, drift off course, or deliver inaccurate data. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand not just the how, but the why of calibrations and system checks, knowledge that will help you keep your UAV performing at its best flight after flight. Let's begin by looking at why calibration is such a critical part of UAV maintenance. Welcome again to Lesson 3. In this lesson, we'll dive into the essential practice of UAV calibrations, a critical step ensuring your drone operates with precision, safety, and efficiency. Calibration goes beyond routine maintenance. It directly impacts the quality of your flight data, the reliability of your UAV, and its ability to perform complex tasks without errors. Here's what we'll cover in this session. Number 1. Calibrating sensors and flight controllers to maintain accurate flight data and responsive operations. Number 2, understanding the firmware update process, why it's important, and how to perform updates safely. Number 3, conducting ground control system, or GCS, and flight app checks to ensure seamless communication and control. Number 4, assessing battery health, learning proper charging techniques, and spotting signs of battery degradation to prevent mid-flight failures. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only know the how, but also the why behind these practices, giving you confidence to maintain your UAV with precision and care. Let's start by understanding why calibration is so important. Number 1, providing accuracy in flight data. Every UAV relies on sensors, such as accelerometers, gyroscopes, and magnetometers, to gather flight data. These sensors dictate how your UAV perceives its environment and navigates through it. Without proper calibration, your drone might misinterpret altitude, direction, or tilt, leading to poor performance or even accidents. Number 2, enabling safe operations. Calibration ensures that the flight controller processes accurate data, maintaining stable and predictable behavior during flight. A poorly calibrated UAV may veer off course, struggle to maintain altitude, or fail to respond correctly to controls, which would endanger both the drone and its surroundings. Number 3, extending UAV lifespan. Regular calibration minimizes unnecessary strain on motors, sensors, and other components. By keeping everything in sync, you reduce wear and tear, extending the lifespan of your equipment. By making calibration part of your routine, you not only maximize performance, but also avoid costly repairs and downtime. Now that you understand why calibration is essential, let's break down the processes into manageable steps. As with inspections, preparing for the procedure can be broken down into 2 essential processes. Step 1. Review your UAV manual. Before beginning, consult your UAV manual to understand the specific calibration requirements for your drone model. As we've seen, every UAV is different, and following manufacturer guidelines ensures you don't miss crucial steps. Step 2. gathering tools and materials. Prepare tools such as calibration software or apps, USB cables for connection to your computer or GCS, and a stable surface for calibration procedures. In performing the calibrations, you will need to be aware of the following processes. First, calibrating sensors and flight controllers. Sensors, like accelerometers and gyroscopes, are responsible for measuring motion, orientation, and position. Calibration ensures these sensors work in harmony with the flight controller, preventing erratic movements or inaccurate positioning. For a step-by-step demonstration, watch the Calibrating Sensors and Flight Controllers for Optimal Performance training video. Second, keeping your UAV system up to date. Firmware updates are another key part of maintenance. Updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and new features. Neglecting updates can leave your UAV vulnerable to malfunctions or security risks. However, updating firmware incorrectly can cause issues. Follow best practices such as backing up existing configurations, ensuring a stable internet connection during updates, and using official update tools provided by the manufacturer. For detailed guidance, watch the Keeping Your UAV System Up-to-Date training video. Third, performing system functionality checks. Once sensors and software are calibrated, test the ground control system and flight app. These tools allow you to monitor the UAV and control its functions. Ensure there is proper connection between the UAV and GCS, accurate display of battery status, GPS coordinates, and flight parameters, and then check out the Performing System Functionality Checks training video to learn more. Fourth and final step, assessing battery health. Finally, assess the health of the battery. Batteries are the lifeblood of your UAV, and their health directly impacts flight time and safety. Key steps include inspecting for swelling, leaks, or discoloration, using proper charging techniques to prevent overheating, monitoring battery cycles, and replacing batteries showing signs of degradation. For a deeper dive into battery maintenance, watch the Battery Health Assessment Charging and Lifespan Management video. As with other UAV maintenance tasks, calibration requires careful attention to detail and thorough documentation. Focus on the details and document your findings. Remember to examine small parts. During calibration, inspect screws, connectors, and wiring for tightness or wear. Record your findings. Maintain a detailed log of calibration results, firmware versions, and any anomalies observed. This documentation helps you track the UAV's condition and plan future maintenance. By being meticulous, you can ensure your UAV is always in peak condition. You've now completed the introduction to UAV calibration. To solidify your knowledge and apply these concepts, follow these next steps. First, watch the calibration sensors and flight controllers for optimal performance training video. Watch the Keeping Your UAV System Up-to-Date training video. Watch the Battery Health Assessment, Charging and Lifespan Management video. Watch the Performing System Functionality Checks, GCS and Flight App training video. Study and complete the Calibration Toolkit checklist, resources 9 and 10. Review the battery safety infographic in resource 11 and complete the related safety checklists, resources 12 and 13, and test your understanding with the lesson 3 quiz, which is resource 14. Thank you for completing this lesson. This training is part of the UVET project, dedicated to developing vocational skills in UAV maintenance and repair. For more resources, guides, and training materials, visit uavet.org. See you in the next lesson.